Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna unlock our Nissan Leaf head unit. So the customer came with this drawing. Basically, we have to install this little device inside the head unit. And what is it doing? Not sure exactly, but basically it's pick up the communication on the CAN bus, and when it's tried to identify it and asking for the codes, then it's gonna bypass it. All right, let's do it. So first we have the head unit. It's basically a big radio, and there is our little device. Yeah. Now, be honest, I never take apart a car radio. I never take apart anything in a car. But yeah, we have to start somewhere. So let's see. This is a unit from eBay, so as you can see, it's slightly used. Just a tiny dent, maybe it was dropped down or something. Yeah. So first we're gonna take off these holders. Few screw here, a few screw there, and yeah, it's coming off, isn't it? Now, this is the point when I realized maybe we're gonna have a lot of screws. So I'm gonna bring some holders so we can put the screws into different holders, organize them, and it's gonna be much easier when we put it apart, yeah? Alright, so as I checked on the internet, first we have to take off this faceplate. And yeah, we have a lot of screws. So first this plastic cover coming off, and after we have to take off this silver bezel. Now that's just mostly clips, so you don't want to break them, but it's a little bit firm. Just nicely braid down. Yep, that's it. Now the next part is gonna be the whole screen. Basically with the buttons and everything is coming off in one piece. I mean, it should be. Yeah, we have a lot of clips, so, and when you lose one, then another one is gonna click back, so it's easier if you're using this little guitar picker and just stuck it there so it's can't go back. Now this one is really doesn't wanna get loose. I was really wondering what's going on here. Obviously you don't wanna break it. Once it gets loose, it's have a screen cable behind it, so you don't wanna use much force. So I just go around. Now, if it's still not coming off, then probably you take a deep breath, take another look, and you realize it's another 4 screw there, what we have to remove. Yeah. Let's take them out. It's a good thing it didn't use more force. All right. It's moving. It's free now. So, careful because still the screen cable is there. You see? Now it looks like a keyboard connection on the notebook, so I'm familiar with that one. Maybe it's opening the same way. Let's take a closer look. Alright, it should be popping up. Yeah, like this. Come on. Come on. Obviously you don't want to break it, so I'm using this nylon thingy. But this doesn't want to give up. No? It doesn't want to open. If it would be a keyboard connection, it would be open already. Maybe in car they use stronger connection. No. Okay, maybe we have to pull it out. Yeah, one side, two sides. Actually, it's released it, so maybe the cable gonna be loose now. Let's see. Can I take this out? Oh. Whoa. It's fall apart. Okay. Now this is a good time to, if something is happening with you like this, just count to 10, take a deep breath, nothing lost, don't worry. It's still there, it doesn't flew away, it's not broken. I mean, nope, it's not. So we just have to put it back. That's alright. Okay. Use a microscope, maybe we can see a little bit better. And you just have to put that to the right position. Don't push that tiny legs. Just like a comb. Yep. And oh good. Just like a new one, isn't it? As I said, no panic. No panic. So, let's continue. So that was the display unit, screen unit. Nice. Alright, so continue with this one. Okay. We have other 100 screws, so just take them out with a different head. Yep, that's good. That's good. Now I'm using a little magnet on the screwdriver head, so if it's a screw is get loose a little bit, it's not falling inside. It's gonna stuck with the screwdriver. I recommend that use that one. It's a little now medium. How do you say that? Magnet cheap. I'm using 100. I always lose somewhere, so yeah. Alright. Faceplate is done. We have a few screws on the side. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, now it's, yeah. Let's see from there. And on the back, of course. Now on the back you have to remove all the screws except one. That one. Alright. You have to pray a little bit. Obviously, where it's got damaged, it's a little bit harder, but that's okay. Alright, so it's like sandwich boards. We have a few layers. Now you want to go by one, nicely done with the layers. Yep, that's one. Now, as I think about it, maybe it would be a good idea to put numbers. So, you know, make things easier later on. And I'm using different orders as the screws are changing. So let's make things easier. Right. Let's go with the next one. Yeah. It's similar like the previous was, but this one is opening. It's very small, very easy to open. And it's not much screw here, so how can we open it? Okay, I can see. You have to slide a little bit and lift it up. You see that for little clamp which is holding down, yeah? So you just pull a little bit. That's it. Nicely. Alright, so here we are. That's the main board. This is where we're gonna continue. Alright, thanks for watching. In the next part, we're gonna install this tiny board and see how's it go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. See you next time.